Hello, I'm trying a bike ride. I have a sort of a funny cold, which basically slimes me from top to bottom. And as the weather is good and I hope it gets away, I try my best. But bear with me if I don't speak too much. As my voice is not very good. But you can see weather is lovely. It's a bit windy, about 26 degrees. Everything is growing well. And I want to make a few more shots from the Autobahn because I saw you liked it very much the last time. So that's what we are heading to. Lovely weather. Lovely woods. And for the ones of you who knows the way already, we're going right here. Now we are on the bridge over the Autobahn. So, now we should have a good view over the Autobahn. And I will go and turn my bike around, and you can see the Autobahn. As I told you before, Autobahns are quite special. So we don't have any speed limits here. So people can go as quick or as fast as they like to. Everything should be fine. Yeah, what can you see here? Typical German highway. One side has 3 lanes, one has 2 lanes. And the 3 lanes is reduced into 2 in 400 meters. So I hope you like that bit. And now we are biking again. Change of scenery from the hectic Autobahn to the nice woods. Let me know what you prefer. I would like to show you more, but at the moment I have a kind of a nasty virus. So I'm more busy with sliming and de-sliming than making my usual bike rides. But I hope to do that again soon. Oh, so even birds come together with me. That's nice. So, thank you for being with me today. I hope you could enjoy it. But if you know my other videos, maybe you have seen it already. At least from the tour, not from the day. I hope it was worth your time. If yes, I'm always happy if you give me a slight like or subscribe to the channel to not miss one of my rides. Enjoy and see you for the next time.
Thank you for watching for my videos. And if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.